Daal Chana, 300 grams. Boil. Remove foam. Cover with the lid until dal cooked 95%. Boiled dal done. Ginger 2-inch piece. 1 small tomato, grind and make a paste. 7 to 8 ts boil. Cumin seeds. Add coriander, seeds crushed. Black pepper, crushed. Red chili powder. Salt to taste. Mix well. Add ginger, tomato paste. Cover with the lid for a few seconds. Karahi masala. Add boiled dal. Cover with the lid. Cook 5 to 6 minutes on slow flame. It's done. Garnish with green coriander and green chilies. Add garam masala. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Kun Food Official.